Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got back from the flea market. Really hot day out there, probably right around 100 degrees. There was a little breeze, so that was good. Here's some of the stuff I found. Found this old gauge, Vaccuum Pressure gauge, US Gauge Co. Looks like brass around the edge there. Found this chalk line dispenser. Got these big old sheet metal shears here. These are Crescent Tool Co. Jameson, New York. Made in USA. And they're still looking good. Okay, got a what do we got here? Oh yeah, Indestro. I got this one with this stuff here, Indestro double box in there. What else did I get with that? Oh, I got these grass cutters here, which are kind of interesting because they have the locking mechanism underneath here. And let's see what they say. Hitco on the back there. Alright, everything I got that I just showed you, it was $8. And then we'll move on over here to this. I got this for $1. Got a tube bender, Bob's tube bender. Pretty cool. Got this, yeah, for $1. Patent pending. It's pretty light. Looks like it's made of aluminum. I got this axe and these 3 really rusty hammers for $6. The lady wanted $10, but I wasn't willing to do that. So as I was walking away, I said, "Would you take $6?" And she goes, "Take them." So that was pretty cool. I don't know what's under here. I can't see any maker's marks. It'll be fun to uncover what's under here. Get some vinegar. It's pretty thick rust though. And then I got this axe. I couldn't find a maker's mark on it, unfortunately. So I'll just probably try to use it myself. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.